Are you late for school? Are you late for work? Or you just want to wear makeup but you don't want to wear makeup? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do your makeup that doesn't take too long. And this is also suitable for all ages. Teenagers, 20s, 30s, 80s. So first, we're starting off with primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's affordable and it's also really good. And this is going to help moisturizing your skin and your makeup to like stick to your skin. I'm actually going to get ready for work. So this makeup is so convenient because today I was like, okay, I'm going to work. I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to wear makeup. So my brain just ding, clicked, and like, wait, let me do this makeup look and teach people how to do their makeup super fast. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry. As you can see, it did give me a nice glow. Let's not mind my frizzy hair. I got out of the shower and I tried straightening it, but it just made it worse. Okay, after you notice that your primer is sticky and dry, we're gonna go ahead and use a concealer. I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 1. You don't have to spend that much money on a concealer. I just really like this one. They're really good affordable ones. These two from Maybelline and this one from L'Oreal. I've used them before and they're really good and they're not that expensive. So I'm applying the concealer here and then here because that's where I have like most of my dark circles. I applied a lot, but that's because I have dark circles. If you don't, just apply a dot and that's basically it. And unfortunately, I woke up with a pimple, so I'm gonna cover that up. And another one here and another one here. So that just means one thing: she's on her way. If you know, you know. And now I'm grabbing a concealer brush. This is from Rare Beauty, and as you can see, it's angled, so that is perfect for blending under your eyes because the pointy corner will reach like all the way in here. And as you can see, I only applied here, but I can drag my concealer out and then boom, I basically covered my whole under eye. I like to apply some of the leftover concealer on my eyelids because they're a bit dark as well. And now I'm just blending the pimples. Okay, after I'm done with the concealer, we need to set the concealer in place. That way it doesn't go anywhere while we're out. And I'm going to use the Huda Beauty powder because it's my favorite one. And again, you don't have to spend a lot of money on a powder. This one right here works so good. It's from Maybelline and it's way more affordable than this one. I'm actually thinking about getting that powder just because this one is great, but it's just messy to work with a loose powder. So if I don't have time and I need to rush out of the house, I'd rather just have something like pressed. So I'm basically gonna grab some of that powder and I'm gonna set my under eye, and then the same thing here. And then I'm applying where I applied on my pimples. That way my pimple is even more covered. Today we're using mascara. So what I want you to do so your mascara doesn't smudge and your eyelids are not black, you're gonna grab some of that powder and you're gonna apply it on your eyelids. And 8 hours later, my mascara untouched. Okay, we're done with powder. Now we're gonna grab some powder blush, and this is one of my favorite ones and it's so affordable. Like I think it's $3, $4 max. And this is a W7 Rebel blush in the shade Teach Me. They have other shades too, but this one's definitely my favorite one. And for this, you can grab a big fluffy brush or a smaller fluffy brush. But since we're like doing a natural look and for beginners, we're gonna use a smaller one just to have more control over the powder. And you basically smile like this and apply your blush. Also, if you feel like you messed up with the blush and it's not coming off, don't panic. What I want you to do is grab some of your powder that we used before this. That will make your blush less harsh. And sometimes I like to apply a little bit on my nose too, just to give me that sun-kissed look, like I've been outside in the sun and I got a little burn, even though we're not romanticizing getting sunburned. Not at all. That's bad. And just so you know, I applied sunscreen before this, so I never leave the house without sunscreen. Next, we're gonna grab some powder bronzer. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush bronzer in the shade 1 Fair. You're gonna do this, and you see that line there? That's where you apply your bronzer. So you basically make the fish face or the kissy face like this. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on my forehead just so I look like I have a little bit of color on my face. Now you're not gonna put your bronzer away. You're gonna grab a fluffy eyeshadow brush, just like this one, perfect for blending. And you're gonna grab some of your bronzer and you're gonna apply it just a tiny bit on your eyelids. For highlighter, we're also using a powder one. This one's from e.l.f. It's in the shade Soft Pearl Era and it's called their Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter. So you can use your fingers. So you basically do this and you apply it on your cheekbones. I feel like when you use your fingers, there's way more pigmentation than with a brush, but I don't always like getting my fingers dirty. So what I like to do is grab a flat brush. It's fluffy, but it's flat. Just grab some of that powder and apply it Look at that, that is beautiful. I just bought this yesterday and I'm so happy I found it because that is stunning. I was using the Revolution highlighter before and it wasn't really wowing me. Like, look at this one, that's insane. And then this is like personal preference, but I like to apply a bit on my nose, under my brow, just a little bit, and the inner corner of my eyes, just to make my eyes pop. We're gonna curl our lashes, so grab your favorite eyelash curler. I'm not even gonna recommend you this one because it's not that good. I bought it at the store called Normal and it's just not good. So I would highly recommend you investing in a good eyelash curler. I'm not saying that you need to spend like $80, $100, but at least get a decent one. This one was cheap, but it doesn't really curl my lashes. Da-da-da. This part is scary for beginners, I know, but trust me, once you start doing this, it's not that scary at all to curl your lashes. Now for mascara, this is my favorite one. It's from the brand called Inay. It's from a small business. I have others, but this is the only waterproof that I have, and since I'm going to work, I want to use waterproof. Okay, so those are my lashes with the mascara on. And now the last step. This again is preference if you like gloss, lip balm, lip liners, lipstick. I like a lip liner with a clear gloss. Nice combo. I don't do matte lips. My lips always need to be glossy. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. So what I'm gonna do is outline my lips and then I fill in with the same lip liner. And since this is not enough for me, I go in with a gloss, a clear gloss, and this one's from H&M. Their brand called H&M Beauty. And now to finish the whole thing, we're gonna use a setting spray. This one is one of my faves and it's the NYX Glue setting spray. They have the setting spray and a primer version. I haven't tried the primer, but I've heard good things about it. So if you want to try the primer, I've heard good things about it. But this one is also really good and it's like every influencer's favorite. Spray my face 3 times, which is 1 side, 2 middle, 3 the other side. Like that. And that is basically our makeup today. Super natural, glowy, it's really effortless, so cutesy, and I think it's perfect for all ages if anyone is starting with makeup, whether you're 15, 25, 30, 80. Yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think of today's makeup look. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And if there's any other makeup looks that you want me to try, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys next time.